start somewhere. This is it.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Chiranjit from the Chiranjit Tech YouTube channel, and this is my new series Hacking Tutorials for Absolute Beginners. In the cybersecurity world, the person who is able to discover a weakness in the system and manages to exploit it to accomplish his goal, it can be good or bad, is referred to as hacker. And the process is referred to as hacking. Nowadays, people think that hacking is only hijacking Facebook accounts or defacing websites. Yes, it is also part of hacking field, but it doesn't mean that it is all there is. This is not even the tip of the iceberg. So what is exactly hacking and what should you do to become a hacker? This is exactly what this course is for. The only thing you need to become a hacker is interest and dedication. You should always be ready to learn something new and learn to create something newer. Hacking is the practice of modifying the features of a system or finding a loophole in order to accomplish a goal outside of the creator's original purpose. Due to the mass attention given to the so-called black hats or crackers from the media, the reputation of all hackers, even the good ones, is damaged. This is what this course is for, to turn this image around. Hacking is always viewed as something illegal. This is almost never the case. A few bad guys doing a few bad things has put a bad name for an entire community. This doesn't have to be so, which is why I have made this course. The goal of this course is to introduce to people the true philosophy and ethics of the exclusive world of hacking, hopefully clearing their name and giving them the social status they deserve. I will show you everything there is to show in hacking. Every single hacking technique that exists, how it works and how to actually carry them out. You will get to know how to protect yourself from these same hacks. And eventually I hope to clear the bad name that has given to the hackers around the globe. Your journey begins right here, right now.